Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Enable USB debugging and connect the device so you can capture live logcat output. Once connected, run ADB logcat while reproducing the crash. This gives error stacks and thread state. Make sure to save ANR traces and a reproducible test case because logs without reproduction are less useful. Also record the Android version and build number, since behavior often differs across releases. These steps let you move from guessing to targeted debugging. Once done capturing logs, focus on isolating the fault. Reproduce the crash with the fewest steps possible and a clean app state to avoid noise. Then use breakpoints in Android Studio, enable strict mode to reveal main thread violations, and take heap dumps to find leaks or OOM triggers. Make sure to test the same flow across API levels and both emulator and physical devices, because timing and memory constraints vary. This method narrows root causes and guides your fix strategy. You now implement a focused fix, change only what's necessary, and add unit/instrumentation tests that reproduce the failure to prevent regressions. Then validate on both debug and release builds and deploy to a staged rollout while monitoring crash analytics and user reports. If crashes persist, roll back or push a hotfix build quickly. Troubleshooting tip: when logs are missing, enable persistent logging and reproduce with a fresh install. Intermittent bugs often hide state left from prior runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.